Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Guys, what are we thinking about her? See, God answered my prayers. He sent me It's a Wig Vixen X-Part wig. I am feeling her. Now I want to go out. Now, what we're about to do today is a very, very important procedure. We have our mannequin head here, and we are going to place our wig head here, and we are going to customize it. Okay, let's begin. Now, this procedure is really simple, but it requires great focus. Here we have our victim here. It is the It's a Wig Vixen X 100% human hair premium mix, and it's a 4-way lace part. Now we're gonna open her out and slowly take her out of the packaging. Ooh, a little snug there. Just really. Okay, all right. Very pretty packaging, if I must say. Ooh, the Vixen X YAKI straight. All right. Let's do this thing. Now, only serious hair professionals like myself can do these kind of things. You know, it's not something that you want to try at home. So carefully place the wig on top of the wig head like so. You know, as I said before, only serious hair professionals are cut out for this kind of work. It's not something you just kind of want to get up and go and do. And yeah, we have a couple of things we may need today, like this comb. It's really sharp objects. You want to be very sure and careful with this comb. I also have a toolbox. That's only gifted to hair professionals like myself. It's not something you can go out and buy in stores. Our toolbox of items of things that we'll need to do with the wig. Now, here's the wig inside out. As you can see, there is a 4-way parting here that shows how you'll be able to part the hair. She's pretty, right? Very pretty. Very straight. Oh, I love that already. No tangles, no nothing. Just straight out the box. Now, this is, like I said, the wig straight out of the wig box. Now, we're going to begin to part the hair. Now, like I said, this requires serious craftsmanship. We need to make sure that we're doing this the right way. So let's begin parting the hair. Start with here. And we're just gonna... I actually don't know why there's a parting here. You know, like I said, we are going to customize this wig today. Start to finish, we are going to create the parts. You know, once again, I don't understand why the part has already been done for me. Like I said, this requires serious craftsmanship. Okay, that's fine. Like I said, we want to do a Vixen X part, so we want to also touch the sides as well, part the sides. So I'm sure maybe, you know, the wig packaging, maybe they made a mistake. This is parted, but on the side it will not be parted, and we'll have to go ahead and customize that ourselves. So let's take a look here. Okay, all right, let's move on to the back, where I'm sure that the part is not there and we'll have to tweeze it to make that natural hairline. So let's go ahead and do that, because I'm sure, once again, you know, this wig, you know, yeah, we'll just get to the back here. Okay. Does the parting go all the way down this wig head? There's got to be a mistake. This makes no sense. The parting has been done for you already. Let's try the side. Just give me a second. Hey, Jamie. Yeah, can you tell me why you're trying to set me up here, you know, on my show? I'm trying to customize the wig, and the wigs are already customized. You told me that I was here to customize the wig. Now, how the hell is this supposed to make me look like a licensed hair professional on this video if I don't have anything to do here, if I have no customization that needs to be done here. For crying out loud, 1, you are not a hair professional. 2, this is the It's a Wig Vixen extra part wig, meaning it comes with 4 different parts. We let you know that before. No one is trying to set you up. It's already. But the reason for this wig is to let everyday women like yourself, because you're not a hair professional, sweetie. Yeah. Let them understand that this type of wig it requires little customization. You know what? I'm not doing this. Start from the top. So this video is a bit different from my other videos because the wig is already customized for your liking, so not much work needs to be done. So all you have to do is just cut the lace off and carry this wig and go. That is beautiful. That is awesome. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. But honey, listen, baby, I'm gonna add a little bit of edges, you know, but if I didn't want to, I don't have to, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of edge, you know, to make it look even more, a little bit more realistic. I am shook. I am deceived. Guys, what are we thinking about her? See, God answered my prayers. He sent me It's a Wig Vixen X-part wig. I am feeling her. Now I want to go out. See, as you can see, your girl change, you know. New outfit, new wig. Who this? You know. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this done in this way. As you can see, I kind of switched it up in this video. And then just give you guys like the generic hair review or hairstyling video. So let me know if you like more of these. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Comment if you're liking this wig and if you would buy it. Sis, I might want about like 3 of these or 4 of these because baby, 100% human hair, all under 7. It's like, I think I saw online that this wig is like $50 or $60. Come on, a wig already parted for you. Y'all saw I do nothing to this. It's crazy. This is really crazy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited.